Welcome to room 3's assembly.
This week we are looking at our school visiting.
You have the right to choose your own friends and join or set up groups.
The Makaton sign for friends is
Friend. Keep friends. Inside. Friends are
friend.
Friends.
I say friends. Why is it important that young people should have the opportunity to meet, spend time together and share ideas? You have the right to be
It is good for our mental health and well-being.
Others.
At Oscar Manor, we have different groups available for all pupils to attend. We have dance club. Okay. Dancing, yay! Dancing.
ICT club and knitting club.
Daniela is a member of the Danny?
Steering group.
Right, Umi is a member of the anti-bullying ambassadors.
These groups give all the pupils a right to a voice and to join.
I go to Baskerville School and I like to go on trips and do cooking with the club.
On a Thursday, I go to a group of YMCA. They're like really nice. I already made 2 friends there. They occasionally let us go on the computer, maybe watch something on the TV they have, and we just talk around really.
You got a friend in me.
Yes,
You
tomorrow.
got a friend in me.
Good boy.
Yes, tomorrow.
When you move, wrap my head in your
Yes,
arms and
tomorrow.
box in your nice warm bed. We just remember
Yes, tomorrow.
all our sense, boy. You got a friend in me.